Hello, IGNOU students. Are you pursuing M.Sc, Renewable Energy and Environment, from IGNOU and looking for the right study material to crack your exams? Look no further. EncycloHub presents a complete collection of previous year solved papers tailored for your program. Blue Book, what's included? White heavy checkmark solved question papers from the past 5 to 7 years. White heavy checkmark expert written answers with clarity and depth. White heavy checkmark covers key topics like solar, wind, bioenergy, sustainability, and environmental management. White heavy checkmark based on the latest IGNOU guidelines and exam trends. Light bulb white, choose EncycloHub. Small blue diamond, 100% syllabus relevant content. Small blue diamond, instant PDF delivery. Small blue diamond, budget-friendly pricing. Small blue diamond, already helping hundreds of IGNOU students succeed. Whether you're preparing for your term-end exams or need help with assignments, our solved papers will simplify your preparation and boost your confidence. Mobile phone with Arrow to order now. Message us on WhatsApp at your contact number, or DM us on Instagram at EncycloHub with a message, M.Sc. RE solved papers. Direct hit, study smart. Score high. Only with EncycloHub, your trusted partner for IGNOU success.